Today's the day, people. Sound of the Bass is out, available to stream or download from all major outlets. Also, the guys at Boosted Entertainment have done a great job with the video, so I'll put a link for that in my bio. But also, you can check that out on the Boosted Entertainment YouTube channel, which also has a couple of my DJ mixes and a previous video for Blow My Mind, which I released earlier in the year. So please support the tracks if you can and check that out as well. Thanks very much.
Back to the sound of the bass.